Good afternoon. My name's Daniel Zafir and I'm from MicroEnergyLabs, and our company is making dumb electricity meters smart. Interestingly, in Australia, 84% of all electricity meters currently installed are still dumb electricity meters. So global energy costs are rising, and in Australia, based off increased peak demand, utility infrastructure investment and even the carbon tax, energy prices have risen 47% over the last 4 years. This has led to the phenomenon known as bill shock, or quarterly bill shock amongst Australians. And this is because the information provided in present energy bills isn't enough to allow the consumers to understand the price increase, and also they're powerless to do anything about it. They don't have enough information to make changes. So here is an example of our alpha customers. This is Sue and Greg and their family of 4. These guys have their 2 fridges running continuously. The washer and dryer is always going. The TV also similarly is always turned on, and last quarter their electricity bill was $1,700, and that represented a $500 increase over their previous bill. When we surveyed Sue and Greg, they said that the information provided by their current energy bills left them truthfully powerless to make energy changes in their consumption patterns to reduce their energy consumption. So our solution to this problem is a hardware and a software platform. Our device, which simply clicks onto the front of your energy meter and reads the spinning disc, takes only 15 minutes to install and gives you access to, or 12 months access to, a software platform that allows you to see very granularly the detail from information or your electricity information that was uploaded to the cloud. Looking at a little more detail, our information will report as frequently as every 5 minutes, and you can see any of your information consumption data out to weekly, monthly, or even yearly. And if you conduct an energy audit at your home, you can actually now tell what appliances are used when and see the patterns of your energy consumption in your home. Additionally to this, we've actually added a gamification layer that allows you to compare your energy consumption to your matched peers or your neighbours or even other Australians, and you can then use that as a benchmark to improve your energy consumption. And through this, we've actually created what's called the karma points system, and as you beat your peers, you earn karma, and you can use these points later on. So our target market is 800,000 Australian households who are middle income earners earning more than $1,000 a week and have greater than $700 energy bills per quarter. And our present business model is to roll out in 3 principal channels, those being the residential, individual households, complexes, and also through utility companies, with additional advertising and information services based on the data monitoring. So the units themselves cost $149 each, and based on a 30% market penetration, our 3-year projected revenues will be $28.5 million. Further to this, the subscription to the software service will be annually at $15, and that'll also provide you a replacement battery for the unit as well each year. So accessing our target market, initially we're going for residentials, houses and communities through direct selling, but we'll also soon sell these units over the counter at electronics stores such as your Dick Smiths or Harvey Normans. And we're now in discussions with Australia's largest property developers, including Lendlease and Stocklands, talking about rolling out these units in their communities. And we also have partnerships with Ergon Energy and ActuAGL, who are ACT-based energy utilities. So there are 4 principal competition categories in the energy monitoring market, and we've got a bit of a breakdown here. Our principal competitor will be the smart meter. Better move on very quickly. These are $600 each, and actually you don't get necessarily access to your information. You must subscribe through one of these other services. Interestingly, information that comes from these is owned by the utilities or these services, and they can on-sell that data as they wish. Hardware monitors require expert electricians to install. Clip-on monitors presently function very poorly, and questionnaire-based audits require you to manually input your information into an energy monitoring system. Our 2 founders come out of the, or 3, 2 of us come out of the ANU. David Anderson is a technologist and Sam Fernandez is a climate consultant. And we have partnerships with ANU Connect Ventures and Ignition Labs. And also our principal advisor is Robin Eckerman from Smart Grid Australia. So in a quick summary, our system is easy to install in 15 minutes. It's absolutely affordable and allows you cloud access to your data. You can visualize and benchmark compared with your peers and modify your behaviors. Our information...
Thanks, Daniel.
Thank you very much.